Hey guys, each step is important. Don't skip any steps. I am going to show you how to fix low computer problem in Windows 11. These all steps are very important to speed up your computer. Execute each and every step back to back, and you will see magic. Complete boosted computer. So let's start. In this step, click here and search for power and sleep settings. Then open it. Now click on additional power settings. In additional plans, turn on high performance settings. In the next step, click on search. Type task manager. Open it. Now go to startup type. Here, we need to disable all unwanted high impacted processes. For that, right on them and click on disable. And move to next step. Now, search for defragment and optimize drives. Open it. Select C drive. Then click on optimize. It will take some time to complete its process. Once done, close this window. Now click here and search run. Now type temp and click on OK. On this folder, select all files. Right-click on it and then click on delete. Close this window. Again open run. Type prefetch. Click here to open it. Select all files. Right-click on it and then click on delete. Now open File Explorer. Then go to this PC. Right-click on C drive. Click on Disk Cleanup. Now click on Cleanup System File. Follow my screen. It will take some time to complete its process. Once done, close all windows and move to next step. Again open run. Type msconfig. Open it. Now click on Services tab. Check this option. Click on Disable All. And then click on OK. Again open run. Type regedit. And click here to open it. Expand H key current user. Then expand control panel. Expand mouse folder. On the right side, right-click on mouse H over time. Select modify. Change value data as 10. Then click on OK. Now on same path, click on desktop folder. On the right side, right-click on menu show delay. Select modify. Again change value data as 10. Then click on OK. And close all windows. Now open control panel. On this window, from view by section, make sure you have selected large icons option. Then click on system. Now click on advanced system settings. From advanced tab, click on settings. Check this option. Apply all changes. And close all windows. Finally restart your system. That's it guys. Your problem is solved. You are good to go.